We were presented with a problem of floods in our country, but also the drought people suffer and the problematic question, if it rains so much, how come there isn't enough water? And our challenge was to build a vertical garden and also develop a system to collect rainwater.
After some school trips to Xochimilco to see how the Chinampa system works, and to La Casa del Agua to learn how rainwater is purified, we developed our own system based on the ones we mentioned previously.
The Chinampa system is first built with plots that are around 30 meters to 2.5 meters. They are staked out on what they call a lake bed, and a fence has to be woven between the stakes and the space left that is filled with mud and plants. Even if the soil is humid, it still has to be watered.
La Casa del Agua goes through different processes. First, the water goes through a filter 3 times, then it evaporates and the water is condensed. After this, it is remineralized and ionized. In that way, its alkaline, hydrating, and antioxidant properties and capacities are increased.
As we said, based on some of the methods, we developed our own. Our system started on the roof, which was built a certain way in order for the rain to go through a tube that will conduct it to the tank or cistern underground. Throughout the tube, several filters were put so that even the smallest particles can be eliminated. And when it's time to use the water contained, it will go through a evaporation and condensing process so that it's safer to use.
In our vertical garden, we decided to use semi-solar plants that are resistant to drought. It is convenient to use them considering Mexico's climate. It's important to mention that we are not planting vegetables. The asparagus deciflorus is a type of plant, not a vegetable. We are not planting potatoes because they are cultivated in the ground, not vertically. The closest to vertically cultivating them will be in boxes, but we are creating a vertical garden with flowers and plants. One of the many benefits of vertical gardens is that they help mitigate air pollution levels. Another one is that when placed at the walls a certain way, the plants themselves can create enough turbulence to cool down very high, hot temperatures. In the modern era that we live in, the way buildings and houses are designed are sometimes important, so regarding design, architecture, and technology can be very beneficial to a house and or business building.
So from all of this, we can conclude that Mexico could possibly benefit from rainwater and prevent floods by using these kind of systems, not only in houses, but in factories and public buildings.